Is Sling TV the cord-cutting savior it promises to be, or just another streaming scam waiting to drain your wallet? First, let's break down what Sling TV actually is. It's a live TV streaming service offering a variety of channels for a monthly fee, aiming to replace your traditional cable subscription. You pick a base package Sling Orange, Sling Blue, or a combination and add on extra channel bundles. User experience is crucial. Sling's interface is relatively clean and easy to navigate, although it can feel a little clunky at times. Pay attention to the streaming quality. It largely depends on your internet speed and might fluctuate, so adjust the video quality in the settings. Now, the channel selection is where things get tricky. Not all channels are available in both Sling Orange and Sling Blue. Sling Orange is typically ESPN and Disney focused, while Sling Blue has more news and entertainment options. Make sure the package you choose actually includes the channels you watch. Device compatibility. Sling works on most devices, including smart TVs, streaming sticks, smartphones, and tablets. Also, note the simultaneous streams allowed per package. Sling Orange only lets you stream on one device at a time, while Sling Blue allows 3. This can be a deal breaker if you have a large family. Don't forget about the DVR. Sling offers a limited amount of free DVR storage. You can often upgrade for more space, but it's not unlimited, so manage your recordings wisely. So, scam or legit? Ultimately, Sling TV can be a legitimate way to save money on TV, but only if you choose the right package, understand its limitations, and factor in any potential add-on costs. Read the fine print and compare it to other streaming services before you commit.